Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use voice control in your Audi. This tutorial will work for the Audi A and Q models. So if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So basically guys, in order to use voice control in your Audi, just go to your settings in your navigation screen. So basically guys, this is how the main menu looks like. So what you need to do guys right now is just go ahead and look for your settings, and then once you find your settings, give it a click. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find language, date and time, measurement unit, display brightness, connection manager, and so on. And then here, just under usage tips, you're gonna find speech dialogue system. So this is basically the voice control settings. Give it a click, and then as you can see guys, the first option is gonna be command display. If you find it disabled, make sure that you enable it. And then you can also adjust the volume of it if you want from here, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.